We've broken up for the summer holidays, and you're probably thinking, maybe I need a book to read around the beach and the pool. On a recent live vlog, I reviewed a new Baden Powell autobiography. Let's check it out. Might want to read this one on your next summer holiday. I want to talk about this bad boy book, biography by Lorraine Gibson, about the founder of Scouting, Robert Baden Powell. It's in all your good bookshops. It's online. I got it sent to me a while ago to give it a read, and I'm not the fastest reader, to be honest, and it's a bit of a heavy book, not as in weight, about context and information to take in. So if you love books and you're a bookworm, you'll probably be able to read this in a very short while. And it's about the life of Robert Baden Powell, the founder of Scouts. So there's a lot about him, his childhood, and not a very happy childhood that he had with his mum, from reading from the biography. And it's about him going off to war and then becoming the first kind of celebrity in England and people looking up to him without giving too much away. How the reasons why he started Scouts, how he got into Scouts, about the Brownsea Island trip, about modern day scouting, and they got some really cool some photos. You know, the old. See if I can show you some of the photos in here. Brownsea Island statue. There he is in the Mafeking in 1900. Some old photos with his siblings. Some of the sketches. I'm actually doing a vlog very soon about this, about him dressing up. There he is in Charterhouse, and there's a whole lot of stuff. Oh, that's the photo I was looking for. I've been looking for it online, and it's in this book. So if you want to learn about Baden Powell, like the real deep dive into his life, this is a really, really good book. If you want to learn about Baden Powell, it's not a lot about Scouts. If you're learning about Scouts, there is a lot about Scouts as such, but this is mainly about him, who he is, how he got to where he is, and the reasons of why he started Scouts. So if you want to learn about the founder of Scouts, Baden Powell, I recommend this book. Autobiography by an amazing author, Lorraine Gibson. And thank you very much, Lorraine, for sending me this. It's been a really interesting read, and I really enjoyed it. I really did enjoy it. It's just a shame I'm a slow reader, but hey.